Anong ginawa niya ni Yuri?
Nagsimba,
Ano pa?
nag-grocery at nagluto.
What else?
Nagkwentuhan at naningin ng pictures.
What else?
Wala na.
What else?
Wala na. Meron pa ba dapat?
Don't lie to me.
Nag-kiss.
Why are you doing this to me? You're mine. Only mine. Everything about you is mine.
No. No, I'm not. Hindi ako gamit, Kiefer. Hindi mo ako pagmamayari.
Why? Because you like Yuri?
Oo. Kaya nga tinanggap ko yung alok niyang kasal.
Liar. You can't lie
No, I'm not.
to me.
Totoo yung sinasabi ko.
And yet you responded to my kiss that night. You responded to my touch and you moaned my name. Tapos sasabihin mo, gusto mo si Yuri?